You've tried dieting, cardio, and even skipping meals, hoping that stubborn belly fat would finally disappear. But no matter how hard you work, the results just aren't there. It's frustrating, right? The truth is, most people are unknowingly doing the wrong exercises, which is why that flat-toned stomach stays out of reach. But here's the good news. You can burn belly fat and sculpt your waistline with simple, effective moves, right at home, no equipment needed. Stay with me, because at the end, I'll reveal the one mistake almost everyone makes that secretly slows down fat loss. I know how tough it is to deal with stubborn belly fat. For years, I hid behind loose clothes and avoided mirrors, feeling uncomfortable in my own skin. I used to think it was just genetics, that nothing I did would ever make a difference. But everything changed when I found the right combination of movements. I finally flattened my stomach, reshaped my waistline, and most importantly, I gained back my confidence. That's why I'm here, to share what truly works, so you can stop wasting time on routines that don't deliver results. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a tip that could change your life. Every week, I share simple, science-backed fitness tips and easy home workouts to help you melt fat, get toned, and feel amazing. If you're ready to finally conquer belly fat, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's start strong with the belly fat blaster circuit. This routine is quick, intense, and designed to get real results. Here's how it goes. First, 30 seconds of high knees to skyrocket your heart rate and torch calories. Next, 30 seconds of squat to knee lifts. This move works your legs and core, mimicking real-life movements. Then 30 seconds of plank jacks for a double hit, cardio plus core stability. After that, take a 20-second rest. Catch your breath, then repeat the entire cycle 3 times. This circuit works because it raises your metabolism and engages your entire core, not just your abs. Forget endless crunches. This is how you actually burn belly fat. One of my viewers, Emily, started this circuit. At first, she struggled, but by week 2, she was finishing all 3 rounds. She lost 4 pounds and felt her energy soar. Ready for a real breakthrough? Let's talk about the one thing that can truly transform your results. Strength-based bodyweight training is the real game changer. Most women focus only on cardio, but strength training is what actually sculpts your body and boosts fat loss. Cardio burns calories while you're moving, but when you stop, so does the burn. Strength training, on the other hand, builds lean muscle that keeps your metabolism high all day. Here's a simple set to get started. Push-ups, reverse lunges with a twist, and plank shoulder taps. These moves target your core, legs, and upper body for maximum results. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps each. You'll feel stronger, more energized, and start seeing real changes in your waistline. Studies show women who add strength training lose significantly more fat than those who stick to cardio alone. One of my clients made this switch, and after 8 weeks, lost inches from her waist and felt more energetic than ever. Here's a tip that can double your results, without adding more workout time. It's called NEAT, non-exercise activity thermogenesis. That means the calories you burn outside of your workouts, like walking, cleaning, or even dancing while you cook. Most people ignore this, but NEAT can make a huge difference. Try standing up every hour and doing a quick 2-minute belly booster, like 20 squats or a set of stair climbs. These little bursts can add up to hundreds of extra calories burned each day without ever feeling like a workout. Over a month, that's thousands of extra calories, equal to hours in the gym, just by staying active in your daily life. Bonus tip: don't waste time on endless crunches. You can't spot reduce fat, and too many crunches can strain your back and neck. Instead, focus on compound moves like burpees, planks, and squat jumps. These torch calories and make your core stronger and leaner, faster. Imagine this. It's 90 days from today. You wake up, slip into your favorite jeans, and they fit perfectly. You look in the mirror and see a stronger, more confident you, inside and out. It's not just about appearance. It's about feeling energized, empowered, and free to live life without limits. This is the transformation you create by staying consistent with these simple, proven tips. So don't wait, hit subscribe now. The next video could be your breakthrough to finally break your fat loss plateau. And if you're curious about the one thing you should do before bed to burn more belly fat overnight, watch my next video. Just click right here on the screen. Let's recap. Start with the belly fat blaster circuit. Add strength-based bodyweight training, and use NEAT to boost your daily calorie burn. Focus on smart moves, not endless crunches. Start today. Even one round gets you closer to your goal. By the time you return for my next video, you'll feel the difference. Let's crush this journey together.